What's up, team? Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Wake Up My Canal. So today we are going to test out the Omega juicer. This is my first juicing video using the Omega juicer. I am going to be making some pineapple juice. So I have two pineapple and I'm going to make pineapple juice. I'm super excited to try out this Omega juicer. It is my first time. I've seen a great reviews on this juicer. I've done an unboxing video on this juicer, so if you guys have not seen that video, I'll put it for you guys in the comment box. So these are the two pineapples. I've peeled the pineapples and I've got the juicer ready. So guys, are you excited as I am? I am super excited. The pineapple is looking good, and that is the container where I'm going to put the pineapple. I got those bottles from a store called Name Zeeman. If you guys live in Holland, check it out. So yeah, I'm super excited. Everything is going so smooth. Like the juice is coming out, and I love the fact that the one of the container comes with those shifter to shift out to shift out any hard or any residue on the pineapple coming out, and you get just the juice itself. The kids, they love the juice. I thought I was gonna keep this juice for like a day, but no, it finished on the same day. I just said the same day. The kids drank everything, and I really love it. So I'm super excited. The juicing process is going so easy. Everything juice out very nice. You guys can see I'm getting a lot of juice out. If this was my old juicer that I had, my old juicer, I wouldn't get a lot of juice like this. Like the pineapple will still come out, the residue will still come out very juicy, not dry. It doesn't really suck out all the juice. But this one is different. This one, I'm getting so much juice out. I wasn't expecting to get so much juice, but the juice that I'm getting out here is amazing, and I really love it. And you don't need to put a lot of pressure when you are trying to push the pineapple down. Not too much pressure, just a little bit, so that the machine can grind out the pineapple. And you guys know pineapple do have a lot of water, a lot of juice, and I'm just feeling the residue to see if it has any juice, but the residue is coming out very dry. I'm super excited, guys. I'm really excited. If you guys have like more recipes that you guys want me to try, let me know in the comment box, because I'm not new into this juicing. I have been juicing for like quite a while now. If you guys are following my video, quite a while now, but I'm really getting into it now. So I don't know like a whole lot of recipe. I've been doing some research on the internet to find like different recipes. But if you guys have some recipes that you guys think I should try, or you guys want to share with me, please let me know in the comment box. I really appreciate it. So yeah, so far so good. You guys can see I have not put that much pineapple in, but I've got a lot of juice. I'm so excited. I can't wait to make other juice. I'm really excited. Can't wait to make like fresh coconut milk without adding water. I've seen a recipe of making coconut milk with this omega juicer without adding any water. This is the pure coconut milk. So I'm really excited. I have to go to the store and get some coconuts. I'm really excited, guys. I'm super excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait to come up with a lot of recipes. I can't wait to come up with a lot of things. I can't wait to try a lot of things, because this is so easy, and it's so easy. It's not that super fast like other juicer that I've seen. Like my old juicer will juice the product very quickly, but it won't suck out all the juice out of it. But with this one, the process is a little bit slower, but you definitely get a good result. You get all your juice, you get everything, you get all the juicer, you get everything. Like the residue comes out very dry. So yeah, it is it is a little bit slow, but you gain a lot. So for me, it doesn't matter because I have nowhere to go. We're just juicing. I'm not in a hurry, so take my time. I want to get the best juice out of this juicer, so I'm not really worried. I'm still like surprised because to just feel the residue to be so dry. And if you're somebody who are into gardening, like you're gardening, you're into farming, this residue is super nice to use as a compost for your garden. In Holland right now we're getting into the winter season, so this is actually not the right time right now to be making compost for the garden, but definitely in the summer I'm going to try to clean up my garden and to plant some vegetables in the summer next year by the grace of God. But yeah, I'm just juicing. You guys see how many juice I have got? How many? Oh my god, this is so delicious. I'm super excited, guys. I'm just excited. The pineapples I picked up, these are organic pineapples. I got it from the organic store. They're a little bit expensive, but if you're somebody who is new into juicing, you can just get your pineapple from the normal store. It's better than nothing. It's better than nothing. Eating one fruit a day is better than eating non-fruit. So if you can't get organic fruit, you can definitely pick it up from your normal store. Sometimes I go to the organic store and there are not so much fruit there, and I just go to the market and I pick it up. Even at the markets, you see these farmers who sell organic stuff at the markets, and sometimes I go to the markets to pick vegetables and fruits. Every Saturday we have this big market. Maybe one day I'll take you guys to the market. I think I've taken you guys to the market once, but that was only to buy some fish, and I'll definitely make time to take you guys also there to pick up some fruits and vegetables. So guys, this is what I've got. This is what the juice is looking like. So I still have some few pineapples to go. So now we're just going to just juice the rest. Just make sure I juice everything. So far so good. Everything is going so good. I've got a lot of juice out of this pineapple. I can't imagine. I'm just thinking of like when I used to juice on my old juicer. I will not even get a half a bottle because of the pineapple will not, the juicer will not suck out all the juice. But this one, like, I'm getting a full bottle of juicer just using two little pineapples. I'm super excited. I can't wait to try more recipes. I'm really excited, guys. I'm really excited. This juicer was a little bit expensive, but it's definitely worth its price. I picked this up for 300 euros and 330 euros, almost 340 euros. I can't remember, but 330 euros, I think, around that price, 330, 340. That is what I picked it up for. It was on sales also. They had some discount. That's why I picked it up from that price. But the price was like 400 or something euros. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm almost done. I'm done. I've got all the pineapples in the juicer. So now we're just going to allow the juicer to just grind everything. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You guys see how the residue is coming out looking so dry. I can't wait to try different stuff. I can't wait to make like almond milk. I can't wait. I just can't wait. I can't wait to try different stuff. I'm really excited. So yeah, guys, this is so beauties, this is the finished result. First of all, I have to say it is very easy to clean. As you guys can see, I clean it as soon as I'm done. I feel like when you clean it as soon as you're done, it's more easier because everything is still wet in there. It's not dry. When you leave it to stand, that is where it gets dry and it becomes very difficult to clean. But cleaning process is very easy, and I really love the color of the pineapple. You guys can see that sunny yellow. It's very beautiful. The pineapple tastes really nice, and the residue is the residue that comes out of here is so dry. It suck out all the juice out of the pineapple, and this is two pineapple, guys. This is just two pineapple, and the pineapple were not that really big. They're kind of bit small pineapples. There are other big pineapple out there I've seen, but this one they were small. I got one bottle and cup. So this is what I got from two pineapples, and I'm really happy with this result. I can't wait to show you guys more recipes. If you guys like this video, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all. Hope you all like my video. Peace out. Bye.